NASA plans to send first helicopter to Mars in 2020. Engineers from NASA have developed a helicopter attached to the Mars 2020 rover. If it successfully flies, it will be the first aircraft to fly on another planet. The Mars helicopter, expected to be the first aircraft to fly in the other planet, was actually built in Pasadena, California. It expands our vision of humans' reach in our solar system. NASA's team has worked onto the helicopter for over 4 years. However, it was not clear whether to actually send it to Mars. There were many concerns from the financial and technical point of view over the feasibility of sending the small aircraft to Mars. After speculation, they finally decided to send the helicopter alongside the rover on the 2020 Mars mission. To raise awareness, NASA undertook a Send Your Name to Mars campaign, through which people could send their names for the rover. The contest kicked off last year and drew more than 10 million entries during the registration. The winning name was announced as Perseverance. Agency officials from a huge pool of submission named the little chopper Ingenuity, submitted by an Alabama high school student. The helicopter weighs about 1.8 kilograms and is fitted with 2 sets of rotor blades, which can spin at 3000 rotations per minute, about 10 times from an average helicopter. The light weight and rapid speed are essential for the aircraft to be able to fly in the thin Mars atmosphere, which is just 1% of the Earth's. In addition to that, to withstand the Mars's minus 125 degrees Celsius nighttime temperature, the helicopter has also been fitted with a heating element which uses solar-powered lithium-ion batteries. Because Mars is approximately 78 million kilometers from Earth, signals take a long time to travel between the two planets. Due to this limited ability to communicate and control the helicopter, it will need to be fully autonomous. NASA said the rover launches in July 2020. The solar-powered Marscopter will be safely placed underneath the rover. The rover will land around Jezero crater on Mars around 21st February 2021. The duration of the mission will be around 687 days. Upon landing on Mars, the rover will find a suitable location to release the helicopter so it can conduct its first test flight. The chopper will start with a short vertical climb and hover for just 30 seconds before landing back on the Mars's surface. If it goes well, 5 additional flights of longer distances for durations up to 90 seconds each will be conducted over the next 30 days. The short journey will be documented by a small camera and would be transmitted back to the scientists to analyze and continue the mission. After everything goes well, the aircraft will detach from the rover and explore Mars from the air while the rover collects samples from the ground. The rover is designed to better understand the geology of Mars and to provide evidence of ancient life, particularly in special rocks known to preserve signs of life over time. The autonomous aircraft will capture the aerial view of Martian cliffs, caves, and craters that rover can't explore. NASA said it hopes the helicopter will eventually carry tools around the planet and guide astronauts when they arrive. The rover will also test new technology for future robotic and human mission on the Red Planet, NASA said. After the agency established a human presence on the moon through their Artemis lunar exploration plans, it has seen to be the most reputable agency in the space industry. The Mars helicopter is considered a high-risk, high-reward bet. If the small craft doesn't work, the Mars 2020 mission won't be impacted. NASA officials have said that the mission remains to be a top priority following the restrictions during the COVID-19 pandemic. The mission is really important as the chances of making the trip to Mars only occurs once every 2 or more years. NASA's Launch Services program, based at the Kennedy Space Center on Florida, is responsible for launch management. Successful flights for the helicopter would open the door for similar missions in the future, providing scientists with a much larger view over less time compared to the rover. For instance, the Curiosity rover has only covered approximately 18.3 kilometers since it landed on Mars in 2012. Together, Mars 2020 and the Mars helicopter will define the future of science and exploration on the Red Planet for decades to come. Do you think Mars 2020 mission would be successful? Do let us know in the comments section.